Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. I am back with another tutorial video of how you can add credit card on Shein application. So it's quite easy and simple. So to get started, first of all, make sure you have installed Shein application on your mobile phone. Once it's done, open up the Shein application on your mobile phone. Now you'll be up here with the Shein homepage. Now what you can do is, in order to add credit card, first of all you'll have to select any product to buy or purchase. You can go from the cart section in order to purchase it. Once it's done, fill up all your shipping address and then you will be taken to the payment section. So while doing the payment, or while you are doing the payment method, you can just select the credit card or debit card option. As you can see, you have many options right there to do your payment. So you'll have to just simply tap on credit card or debit card in order to purchase anything on Shein application, and doing so will successfully help you add credit card on Shein application. Just fill up your card number, expiry date, CVV, and if you want to save the card for future use, you can just click on that button or you can just enable it. Right there you can see. And that's all guys. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.